Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday morning and we are getting ready to go on a little adventure. We're gonna go to the Harmony Farmers Market in the St. Cloud area, and they're doing a hot rod event. So kind of like a downtown artisan farmers market, and we're going with my parents and our friend Alec, so there's my husband, and yeah, come along with us. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hey you guys, this is Morgan coming at you from the future while I'm editing this video, and unfortunately when I went to go take all the footage off my GoPro, none of the audio crossed over. But that's okay, because most of the time riding on this video clip, my view is this. The sun shining right into my eyes. It wasn't a particularly scenic drive anyway, but it was good experience. But yeah, sun in my eyes most of the time, as you can see right here. But probably an hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes of driving. Good experience. I feel like any experience on the road is good experience. Some back roads, some highway driving, some traffic through towns, and it was a good experience, and we were able to go in a group. Alec is with me. He's over my shoulder right there. My husband's behind me on the other side. You can't see him right there. And I'm following my parents. My mom's on the back of my dad's bike because her bike is in the shop right now. But yeah, not too bad. Not a bad drive. Just hot and very, very bright. But eventually we do make it to our destination in the St. Cloud area, which is the Harmony Farmers Market. And this is a cute little venue. I'd never been here before. This was their first time doing a motorcycle specific event. I mean, obviously anybody can come to it, but I found out about this event through the Central Florida Cruiser Riders Facebook group and thought it would be fun to go to. But this is a great little space, a great little outdoor event space. Lots of vendors, little artisan vendors, some live music, some food trucks, and of course lots of great bikes to look at. Okay, we made it. Long ride. It was really hot, but we're here and it looks pretty good. So lots of cool stuff. So come along. Alright you guys, so we are heading home in these clips here. We are just taking some of the back roads, a little bit less stop and go traffic, a little bit more scenic. So this was fun just to take a different route home. I am following up the back of our group in this particular ride. And yeah, super hot, sun shining down on us. Don't come from me. I wasn't wearing my jacket. It was just, you guys, it was hot. It was just really, really hot. So yeah, that shirt there does give me SPF protection, so it's really good. So anyway, I just want to say thank you to you guys for everybody who was so supportive of the first couple of videos I posted on my channel. What a great community this is. So yeah, stick around. There's more to come. Like the video if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to stick around for more. And until next time, ride safe, be kind, and I'll see you next time. Bye.